Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. As the temperature rises, beating the heat becomes a top priority. But what if you don't have air conditioning? In today's video, we'll show you some clever and effective ways to stay cool without relying on AC. Let's jump right in. Tip 1. Create a cross breeze. Open windows on opposite sides of your home or apartment to encourage natural airflow. You can also strategically place fans near the windows to help circulate the air. Tip 2. Use fans and ice. Fill a shallow bowl with ice and place it in front of a fan. The fan will blow cool air as the ice melts, creating a refreshing breeze. You can also place a damp towel in the freezer for a few minutes and then drape it around your neck or use it as a makeshift cool compress. Tip 3. Optimize shade and curtains. During the hottest parts of the day, close curtains or blinds on windows that receive direct sunlight. This helps prevent excess heat from entering your living space. If you have outdoor space, create shade with umbrellas or awnings to keep those areas cool. Tip 4. Get creative with cooling methods. Fill a spray bottle with water and mist yourself periodically. You can also place a bowl of ice in front of a fan to create a DIY air conditioner. Additionally, consider using a hot water bottle filled with cold water and placing it near pulse points like your wrists or neck for instant cooling relief. Tip 5. Make lifestyle adjustments. Opt for lighter, breathable fabrics in your clothing choices. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and consuming foods with high water content, like fruits and vegetables. Avoid using heat-generating appliances during the hottest parts of the day, and instead, opt for cooler activities like reading, board games, or taking a refreshing dip in a pool or shower. And there you have it. A variety of effective ways to beat the heat without air conditioning. Remember, staying cool is all about being resourceful and finding what works best for you. We hope these tips help you stay comfortable during those scorching summer days. Thank you for joining us today. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more practical advice. Stay cool, everyone, and we'll see you in the next video.